Hey, what's up guys? Laravel Sanctum is a new addition to the Laravel arsenal for quick API authentication, which is a great package as before we had full-fledged OAuth package Passport, which was way overpowered for simple API authentication. Then we have a pusher alternative in Laravel WebSockets by BeyondCode, which has been proven statistically to perform equally or even better than pusher. Now, this video is all about combining these packages to fire events and listen over the WebSockets while authenticated over an API. So let's get started. I have a GitHub link in the description for anyone to follow along or refer to in the future. And by that I mean I have a written guide of steps to perform rather than an entire Laravel project, so you can easily integrate it to your application. I'll start by making a directory WebSockets for my Laravel and Vue project. You may use React, Angular, or even a vanilla project for the UI side. A fresh Laravel project is the way to start. I'll name it WebSockets. This will take some time, so fast forwarding. Open the project in your favorite text editor. For simplicity, I'll use Sublime. And I didn't change my directory, so I'm on the root. Let's try this again. First, let's configure our environment. I'm using MySQL database, Laravel with user, root and no password. So I'll run the migrations. I have my old project database there, so I'll quickly drop my existing tables using phpMyAdmin. I'll run the migrations again for this project. Now I'll continue by requiring and installing the UI scaffolding for authentication, which will make the auth controllers to function and handle registration, authentication, reset password and everything, but will focus on just authentication or login. Then let's also use this terminal to install Sanctum, previously known as Airlock, for API authentication. I'll publish all the migrations and configuration files of Sanctum so we can migrate the new tables of access tokens and even change the configurations to our need. Now we'll go to app http kernel to use the Sanctum package for our API routes by pasting the imports and the middleware configs. Then we'll go to user model at app/user and paste the import has API tokens, and users should have has API tokens thread. Now that's all for the Sanctum part except the routes, which we'll get into after we create a dummy user. I'll quickly use Tinker to create a new user for our project with name JohnDoe, email johndoe@example.org, and password secret but hashed. Since we've committed to use Laravel Sanctum, our new middleware for API shall be auth::sanctum instead of auth::API. Now I'll quickly add a route to create an issue token for our new created user, which is in the Laravel docs by the way, and also in my GitOps instruction page. This route will accept email and password and issue API tokens if the credentials are valid. Now, to quickly show you the API token, I'll use the browser's console and fetch API after I serve the project. Or I'll use Postman since it's easier there to understand. Postman should open any second now. If I post to /API/Sanctum/token with valid credentials, which it is now, I'll get the token. Oh, I didn't import the user model in my routes file. I'll quickly fix that. Now it works, and I can again use the token to get any user's data from the user root as well. I'll set the bearer token to the one issued earlier and get the user. Now this will be a 3-part series, but you can visit the GitHub pages and follow the instruction, but we'll also make the remaining part very soon. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay safe and stay creative.